Hi, my name is Dr. Reem. I'm a board-certified pediatric dentist, and I am passionate about bringing digital workflows and 3D printing into pediatric dentistry and early orthodontic solutions. Okay, let's break down the process so that we can understand how this works. CAD/CAM technology is basically computer-assisted design and computer-assisted manufacturing. So how do we bring that into the dental setting? Well, it all starts with a digital scan. Continuing our adventure from scan to design to smile, we're now at the designing phase. Once we've acquired the data, we're going to go ahead and use software to design whatever we're trying to create. And in this step, the digital data is inputted in the design software, and we're going to manipulate it to either create a restorative solution or a cosmetic solution, or even an orthodontic option.
And now it's time to 3D print our design. We're going to print, wash, cure in the curing unit, and then go ahead and post-process the design artistically. And finally, it is time to deliver and reveal the artistic work that has been created.